going down, everybody? It's your boy Ginsu back with another Fight Team video for today. This one here is going to be an exclusive. I'm here with my guy Barry from Unlock the Con. As you can see in the back, I've been turned into an official crackhead, guys. So I've been buying these Funko Pops. V's back there too. He's around doing his thing. So I really don't do this type of stuff, but we're going to do it today. We're going to do an unboxing today. So we'll go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to waste my time with the bullshit and all the shenanigans. So I got some scissors here. Let's see what we got going on, okay? I'm a little excited, guys.
Don't look,
okay?
just reach, bro. Just reach. Just reach, bro. Don't even look.
Okay, so what we got here? We got
there's so much things in there.
we got the huge thank you. That'll work, whatever. We got here. I got Barry's
I
card
read those
here.
things.
All right, Unlock the Con. I'm gonna put all that stuff in the description and all that, so you guys know who to talk to, who to go to. All right, so let's see who we got. Let's see here. Snack chest. And this box is kind of heavy.
Did you call your brother?
Huh? Yeah, I called you today.
Oh my
What is that?
God.
Oh, he gave you.
Okay, so I got some.
You go
these are the
flip him over
protectors
there.
For the,
I want to bring his
for the boxes.
got some protectors,
Okay.
got some figures.
Holy shit.
Oh, bro.
Boy. Whoa, wait a minute.
Together?
Is this all three in the box? Or is it just Goku?
Let's go.
It doesn't matter.
Bro, it's all,
This is funky right here, okay? This is where it's at.
yeah, good
He
detail
went
on
to
it, bro.
GameStop.
I'm a
on
super
Black
Dragon
Friday.
Ball
He
fan,
bought
so
two
you guys
of
can't
the
tell me
action
shit
figures
about
because they
Dragon
were
Ball.
so expensive.
Okay?
He
Hold on, let's
purchased
see what we
on
got.
Oh, so I've
Oh,
never
look
ever
at the
seen that.
fucking
I've
picture.
never ever
Money
seen
here.
that, bro.
Look at this here.
Oh, that's
I
like.
need that one right there. You see this one here? You guys see, now you're making me into a fucking crackhead. I told you. So you gotta get him to collect the series. You know what I'm saying?
Man, I gotta get them all,
That's
bro.
tight right there.
Here's a good next thing.
This is Lex Luthor.
This I like a lot.
That's Lex Luthor, okay? It's my guy right
Oh, we got the
there.
mystery minis too.
Ooh.
The minis.
Who is this? I'm not hip to who this is.
see.
Fallout.
Fallout, yes, that's right, but I'm gonna put it on my keychain anyway.
Fallout.
Oh, you know this is my boy right here, okay?
Captain America.
You know what I'm saying?
Got the
You
little
know, that's a
minis.
real, a real American hero right there. What else we got? Oh, we got some podcasts, Pez. This is John Doe. That's cool. Got some Harley Quinn.
Those are nice peasants, bro.
I'm gonna keep these, man. You know what I'm saying? If
You're
I
gonna
give
eat
them
the
to my
candies?
nephew RJ, he's gonna eat these. You know? What else we got?
Little mystery.
I got some more Avengers in here. I don't know who's in here.
You'll find out.
I'll find out later. I'm not gonna waste your time with that. Oh, look at the Marvel T-shirt. Stop it.
Oh, the Captain Marvel, the Funko one too.
Stop it, bro. Higher, further, faster. Better cut it out. Quit playing with me.
Let me see. I
This
did.
is only the first box.
Look at this, man. You gotta be my age to understand what this means. So I'm not gonna go into detail on that. Okay? I'm gonna show it to you one more time, okay? If you're not in your 30s, let's say even mid-20s, you don't know what's going on with this right here, man. And we got a pen right here too. Ooh, a DBZ pen.
Ooh, I like that.
That's gonna go on my backdrop. Put that on my backdrop. I already got ideas for this. Look, dude, I got so much shit right here.
I know.
You don't even.
Bro, oh my god.
I'm gonna have my wife put this together in a minute, okay? But you got the protectors too first. Okay, let's go to these Funkos. What we got here?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Zoolander. Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Gadu.
One of the funniest movies that was ever made. Okay, this was oh, what's his name? Oh my gosh,
Actor?
Will Ferrell.
Yeah.
Will Ferrell played this guy here.
Yeah.
Fucking hilarious. Okay, part 2 was even funnier.
Ooh, I
Okay.
see that right there.
All right,
Next
you
one.
see this right here, the Punisher.
Punisher.
Oh, he
got
loves the Punisher.
He got the bruised eye too.
Whoa. I like that. Look at the he has the gun too and the rifle.
Yeah,
and
this is
everything.
this is from the Daredevil series. That was on Netflix. Yeah,
Is it?
yeah,
The new one, huh?
that was on Netflix. Yeah. By the way, great. That was fucking great. Daredevil and the Punisher. The Punisher was even sicker.
Oh, yeah.
That was even sicker. Hold on, man. I just need space because this is about to get cracking. I got a lot in here. Sergeant Johnson.
Halo.
From Halo?
Oh, I've never seen that one before.
Okay,
I've never
so
seen that.
I'm not even going to show you this one. Alright, so I'm not gonna show you that one. We're gonna
Why?
keep that crap because I don't want them to see it. That's why. It's none of their damn business. None of their business. The Bright Bomber, oh yes. Yes. You guys are not hip, okay? That's a little bit of Fortnite. I'm a PUBG guy myself, so that you know. But it's a little Fortnite. It's all good. We got Berlin. Who's Berlin from? Where's this from?
Have you not watched The Money Heist on Netflix?
No.
Gotta watch.
Yeah,
Oh,
a lot
so
of people
good,
have been
yeah.
telling me to
So
watch
good.
it too.
I heard it's good.
No, but I know it's on there too. It's like French or something, right?
Spanish.
It's like Spanish? Oh shit.
Way off.
La Casa de Papel.
Okay, see, the Papel. It threw me off a little bit, okay? Look, man, I don't know who some of these people are, but look, I know who most of them are, though. Hold on, guys, you know what I'm saying? We'll keep it
Who's
going.
that, man?
Who is this? This is from the Money Heist, huh?
Bro, these like the show ones, they're always cost, bro. Like, why you?
Well, I'm gonna put it. Look, I'm gonna watch the show,
Yeah.
so I can get hit. What is this here?
You got 4 more boxes. You haven't even got to like the main boxes,
No,
bro. These
man,
are like the
taking-
main.
I'm taking my time, man. Taking my time. You know, it's for the people. For the people. Ooh, what's this? What's nice? Oh,
Bro, over here, you already got like well above 100
oh, we got some Batman. Okay.
Oh, that's a nice
We
one.
got some Batman. Got another pants. I like that. We got some Lord Lex Luthor. Is this Bruce Wayne? That Bruce Wayne? That's Gordon? Look at that.
That's
Hold on.
crazy.
Let's put these up just like this, okay? Put them right here. We gotta put these two together. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the detail on the
I
glasses, though.
know. Everything, bro. The detail's insane
Look
on
at
the
this.
Funko, bro. That's why I love them.
Look
so
at the
much.
back of the hands, how they're clasped. Oh, stop it, bro.
Is that signed?
Who-
That's signed,
Hold on.
bro.
Hold on, who signed this?
Is that a Batman mask?
He ain't gonna let the kids touch that at all.
Who signed it? Japan Subway. Who signed it?
Can I see it?
Okay.
Oh, you got it wrong.
Okay. Did he do the mid-90s Batman too? Dude.
Who signed it? I'm like,
So the guy that signed this, he does a couple of the voices in the TV, the games, and a couple of TV shows of Batman.
Oh,
and I
nice.
believe, if I'm not mistaken, he did the one in the mid-90s when I was growing up watching the animated
I
series.
think it is, bro.
I think so.
It is, bro.
do you know who it is?
The rest of it's dead, bro.
Okay. I'm sorry. This needs to. I don't even want to take this out the box.
Well, leave that, bro. That's
This is beautiful. That's your boy right there. You know what I'm saying? That's your boy Christian Bale.
Oh, is it Christian Bale?
Yeah.
It is.
Gotta put it on your wall for your backdrop now.
It's on my wall. What are you talking about?
He said, I'm keeping it in the box.
No!
Bro, I would like put that somewhere.
This
bro.
here, I need to really do something with this. I'm gonna frame that. I got like 3 more boxes in here. Oh, what is this?
It's like a Christmas. It's like
This is
opening up
beautiful,
gifts from
man.
Christmas.
This is great. Not seriously, bro.
That's filthy.
That's
bro.
like my childhood. You know what I'm saying? So that means a lot to me.
I'm not super into Batman, like crazy, but you are, and she is.
Ugh. We got some more Funkos in here. We got some these are these protectors, man. I'm sorry guys, y'all gonna have to wait.
You got 2? Won't wait. Oh, that is.
Babe, don't touch it. It's not yours.
What is it?
That's 2017. Come on, bro. This is like, bro. He just gave you like.
Okay.
Do the math, bro. Just off of that one, dude, bro. Don't.
For some of you Batman fans out there, okay.
That is like exclusives. Like
This here, I can't remember what year they came with the
we had the.
when they showed this suit though. I want to say it was
That's old, isn't it?
Justice League, I think it was.
But that's
Maybe?
old,
Y'all, can you all see that?
Planetary. Look at that. That is it, bro. That's a.
Nah, I have to go
That's a
back. I have to go
great-
back in the box, man.
Yeah, don't even
Real
know.
careful with that one. We got right here.
Captain.
That's what he was waiting for.
This is hot right here. Okay, this is hot.
The Captain
Right.
America.
I think Captain America is the best Marvel hero I've ever seen.
Yeah.
This is hot though.
That is so
Okay,
cool.
with the
Yeah.
beards, the Infinity War
I think
series.
he did because I was like knocking on it and I was like, I would buy this, but I
Ooh.
meant to knock on
The
it.
shield?
What's this?
The shield? Is that no?
Spider.
It
Ooh.
was like down on the floor over here.
I like that one.
This is
I don't
beautiful.
know. We go to so many
This-
places. I thought it was
Bro,
here.
this is beautiful, bro.
I swear I saw it,
Spider
but I
Man?
don't
Ooh, that's
remember.
exclusive too, bro. This is all. This is more than beautiful, bro. What the fuck are you gonna see that anywhere, bro?
So
Just, bro,
Titanic-
just right here, and you pretty much
I
got
need to start
$100.
looking.
Bro.
Oh, and I got Loki too. It was crazy because I was eyeballing this too.
The Loki?
I was eyeballing
I was
it
looking at
too.
Loki too.
Yes,
right
I
now,
was
bro.
eyeballing it too.
Oh, here we start.
So I tell you to open the boxes before you start buying them.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
I was like, I think.
Right?
Oh my god, bro!
You were just like.
Look at that motherfucker here! Look
Bro,
at
the
this motherfucker
chrome
here!
green, bro. You got $100 right there easily,
Hold on.
easily.
Hold on,
just
look
for
at
that
this motherfucker here! Where you gonna find this?
I'm gonna move these.
Yeah.
Oh!
You were just looking at
I
that,
feel
weren't
like you're
you?
gonna drop these, June. You're so excited.
You know what the crazy part is though? Look, I want you to look real close.
Okay, you got $100 in that box alone, bro.
You know what the
pretty
crazy
much.
part is?
If not
He's
damn
got
near.
the gauntlet on though. He's got the gauntlet with whole.
Oh, he
got
does.
everybody back.
And it's not just the regular one either. It's the green chrome, bro. Bro, that Marvel collection is nasty.
What?
Those three right there, you're already good. The Batman,
Oh.
you're like, whoa, bro. The collection's already nuts.
Oh,
you,
and I needed
you
her
wanted
too.
that. He was telling
Yeah, I was
Yes.
talking about it
me, he was
yesterday.
telling me yesterday. he wanted
Yes,
it.
and I needed her so bad too.
He was looking at mine, he's like, I'm missing it. I was like,
Oh, I
Oh.
needed her so bad
well, that
too.
box is, oof. That
Oh
box is.
Jesus!
He's like, oh, not even getting the mask
Oh.
sign? Come
Hold
on, bro.
Hold
Hey,
on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
you're not kidding when you,
You
said
have two more
like,
boxes
you wouldn't
I got
stay
two
on
more
this one.
boxes.
What I tell you, bro, satisfaction guaranteed every
Wait,
time,
I
bro.
kinda
I
want
went here the
that
first time and I was
thing for
overly
Marvel.
That
satisfied.
Batman though,
What?
I don't know who
That right
is,
there,
though.
that-
the Star
that's-
Wars
that's-
one, the big one.
best thing I've ever had in my life. Besides my wife, of course. She's holding the camera.
Yeah, I almost stopped recording
You
too.
know? She might just quick. Ooh. Smell like touch.
I'm not gonna buy these regular Funkos right now.
Look at the electro.
I'm gonna take the box home.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's the one I want too. The Electro's nice. That is
See
nice.
that? Hey.
They've been making great ones. These Marvel 80 Years Edition ones, they've been really nice. They've been
What's
nice.
this?
Careful with the boxes, honey.
Okay, it's alright. I'll be delicate. Who's this?
It's
Isabel?
exclusive.
Who's this from? I'm not hit with this.
He's gonna be in the car. He's gonna be just like hugging everything.
I
It's
look that
exclusive
up.
though. I've never seen that.
I
I've seen
look
it on
that
top
up.
of. Oh, I see something in the. I see two Batmans. Oh no! I saw the top right corner.
Babe, shut up.
I saw the top right corner.
So,
I saw the top right.
if you guys don't know about The Office,
Yeah.
this is
Oh.
one of the greatest comedies you'll probably ever see. But it's that dry humor, you guys know. What is this?
Let me see.
The Collector. Guardians of
What
what?
was it?
Ooh. That's nice, bro.
I don't know who this is.
It's a hell of a
We've
nice
never
box.
watched
Oh, but we're
Doctor
gonna look-
Strange.
That's a nice. Bro, you have already a
Has
crazy
he
quick.
seen the Marvel movies? He doesn't know who the collector is?
June, he's asking you. Oh my god. The how? He's just so. He's in a different world right now. He's in a different planet right now.
This is hot, dude.
Let's see how you can see it.
So I'm gonna show you this here. I'm not gonna go into detail with this.
Oh, I know. I've seen that. Bro, that is a fucking crazy Batman, bro. I told you. I looked at the top right corner, bro. That is insane, bro. That's a pricey ass Batman, bro. I'll tell you right now. That is a pricey Batman.
Filthy. Look at this.
That's crazy. That
This is
insane.
fucking. This is tight.
Oh my god.
Let me know in the
Simon.
comment section, y'all, if you've seen some of these, man. I don't know who this is though. Isabel from Saga. I wanna know who that is. That's got me really intrigued to see who that is right there. I got one more box.
You got, still got
That's a big box.
Ooh, this box got some weight on it.
Bro, the Batmans you got. Top of the
Struggling.
line, bro. Seems like there's more. What is this? There's more?
What is this?
You're never gonna see this for $100.
Did I say the best for last?
Maybe that's why it was in the bottom.
I don't know because there's a lot of good stuff.
Batman was cool. Oh no, I see him. I see him. I see him. The one I got two from him. The Hot Topic trunks, bro. There you go, now you got the Vegeta and the trunks, bro. We both got them, bro. I want that one too.
You
Good
motherfucker.
stuff, man.
Oh, what is this? Hold on, I gotta take this one out before I get to the other one. Take this out. Slide it.
Still looking?
Adam Bob. You don't know who this is, do you? Okay. Back in the late 70s, early 80s, they made the Garbage Pail Kids.
Yeah.
Okay. My sister's gonna see this and she's gonna fall in love with this. She grew up on watching these guys.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They stopped at like the
Let me see the detail on that
the
too.
early
On the top of the
80s?
head too. Look at that.
yeah. They stopped in the early 80s too.
Oh.
Yeah. They were up there with not the Care Bears, but there's another one that was out.
Russell Wilson?
Yay, because I
Color Rush? Oh, my God.
Oh, tell business. Come from Seattle. Cornbread fan. Okay?
Bro, this is way too much good stuff.
I got
See
Thanos.
that one? Oh, I like that one. That's like the miniature one, huh?
Yeah, of the one that
Wait
you
until I
have.
put it together though. He's got a sword in his hand, got his gauntlet.
Oh yeah, that's a smaller version.
What is this?
It's a protector. What is it?
Is it
Let me
Stan
see.
Lee? Oh shit.
It is
Babe,
Stanley! I see the stamp, bro. Bro,
Aw.
it's exclusive, bro.
That's gonna make me cry. No, I'm serious. That's gonna make me cry. It's gonna make me
Oh,
cry.
man.
This is fun.
Oh yes.
This is gonna make
Is that
me
Persona
cry.
5? Or is it Persona? Or Joker? Bro, you have...
Put that away.
You don't want to show us?
No, because that's gonna make me cry. I don't want to.
I was just looking at
That's better than that Batman.
What do you think, June?
Huh?
What do you think, June?
I think this is
This is insane, bro.
anyway. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you, Barry. I appreciate it. Unlock the Con. Got that shit for you. Okay? Anybody else, fuck them. Alright?
Yes, sir.
This is where it's at. I'm gonna put the links in the description. All that stuff. Hit this guy up. He's gonna give you what you need. Alright? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, get all the notifications, and I'm out of here. Peace, player. I'm gone.